Ahoy, my little guardian. We just got another trailer of Miraculous Ladybug Season 6 with many superheroes and villains. So let's dig into it. The first thing I wanna talk about is the looks of Ladybug and Cat Noir. Their looks are getting better as we are getting new trailers and images. Ladybug and Cat Noir look more cool, and not only are they looking cool but Rena Rouge Carapace are also looking great. The animations are too cool and great. We can even see Sabrina transforming into Miss Hound and also Pegasus using his teleportation power, and the portal is now moving like particles, and their costumes are even better than before. We also got to see 4 new villains in the trailer. The first one is a lady with a microphone in black and white striped getup, and the second is a child who seems to create anything which he draws, and we also see many doodle obstacles throughout the trailer. The next one is Roger Cop, which is now called Daddy Cop, and I think he got akumatized because of Sabrina, that's why she is using her Miraculous, and we also see Ladybug telling her that she is a good person and giving her the dog Miraculous. Next we see Ladybug fighting with a lady with a medal, which we have seen before in other trailers. We also get to see Ladybug protecting Sublime and her father from the villain. We also get to see Lila using her powers, and it looks super cool how she uses them, but there is something I am confused about, that Lila created a magical Akuma and not a butterfly, so how Ladybug is going to capture the Akuma for decumatization, and if you know then let me know it in comments below. But this new style of Lila is actually cool. We also get to see Ladybug and Cat Noir with space power up, and there may be a chance that we will get to see more power ups in this season. The last scene we have is Adrian and Marinette in the movie theater, and Adrian is looking much better than the previous look we saw in the first trailer. And once again, here are the air dates of the first 5 episodes which we have till now. On January 25th we will be getting episode 2 Illustrator. On February 1st we will be getting episode 3 Sublimation. On February 8th we will be getting episode 4 Daddy Cop. On February 15th we will be getting episode 5 Werepapas. On February 22nd we will be getting episode 1 Clemity Queen. And the last thing I want to say to you is that don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will never miss what you love, and catch you later in another video. Till then, take care.